I'm so sorry.
Oh,
I
no,
have
no
some
problem.
problem.
No problem. No problem. Yeah. Okay, right. So in United States, the coronavirus cases are very high.
Hmm.
Then there was protests
Hmm.
everywhere, and um, and there is right now in the United States there is no plan for the coronavirus. There's no plan. In Mexico, they have a plan. Really,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
like they open the businesses very
Hmm.
slowly. Not
Okay.
United States, they just opened everything. Like, like coronavirus is gone. So like everything is open now. But actually, some cities,
Hmm.
because the cases they rose so quickly, they have to
Hmm.
lock down a second time. You
Oh,
know,
okay.
so so yeah, I think it's better. I think it's better right now to stay in Mexico. Yeah.
Okay. Same thing is happen in our country.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm. Yeah, man. But I only go outside to go to the supermarket to buy
Oh,
food, and
okay.
I go to the bank. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. Yeah.
You live you live with your family in Mexico?
Oh, no, no. I'm living alone right now. Yeah.
Oh,
Hmm.
so we can make food.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I've been making food uh,
Wow.
for 2 months, and now I'm starting to get bored with making
Oh.
food. I came to Mexico. I came to Mexico to try different kinds of food.
Mm-hmm.
Like authentic Mexican food. Like I came here to try it. you know, but
Oh,
I
okay.
have to I have to cook my own food. It's like it was fun in the beginning. Like,
Hmm.
oh, I'm cooking my own. Yeah, this is great. But now after 2 months, now it's boring. I think
Two
so.
month 2 month is a huge time or long time.
Yeah, for me, yeah, it's a long time. Yeah,
Yeah.
we've been locked down for maybe 3 months. So yeah, it's a long time. Mm.
Is there open restaurant in your area?
Yes, starting this week and this weekend, restaurants now can open again. Yeah,
Ah, okay.
yeah. For the past 3 months, you can order the food and they deliver it to your house.
Okay. I think is the best news for you.
Yeah, right. Actually, I don't really see delivery. Um, Delivery, you have to pay. It's more expensive to get
Oh,
delivery because you,
oh,
you have to
yeah,
pay
definitely.
for the delivery, right? So yeah,
Yeah.
it's cheaper. It's cheaper to cook your own food, right?
And one thing is,
Mhm.
in my opinion,
Mhm.
homemade food is so healthy
Mhm.
for our health.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's cheaper than
Hmm. Yeah.
going to the restaurant. But the only problem is it's boring. like every day I'm making food. So sometimes I want to eat at a
Okay.
restaurant. Sometimes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. I understood. It's very hard
yeah,
for guys or for especially male.
yeah, yeah. I think so. Yeah. Mm.
Yeah. So what time is it now in Mexico?
Oh, 7:56 a.m.
A.M.
In the morning. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, in evening in my area,
Oh,
and
evening.
now
Oh,
my
wow.
yeah, my time is 7,
Mhm.
half to 7.
Hmm? So our time is finished. Oh, yeah.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Yeah, great time we were passing.